Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Yes, episode 120, let's go.
I'm Lily.
And I'm Tom. And today's episode is a little personal for me.
Oh, it's very personal.
Please don't.
I'm just saying, we're going to talk about shadowing practice today. You know, repeating after native speakers to improve your pronunciation and your flow.
Great topic, very useful. Let's move on quickly.
And if you're new here, 60,000 of us are learning English together every single day. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we upload every single day.
60,000 family members now.
That's right. Okay, before we start today's lesson, I have a question for you. So, quick question for all of you watching. Have you ever practiced your English out loud in public and forgotten that other people could actually hear you?
Why are you looking at me when you ask that?
I'm not looking at anyone in particular.
Okay.
So here's what I want you to think about while we tell today's story. What do you think happened to Tom yesterday on the number 12 bus at 7:30 in the morning with his headphones in?
Lily.
Keep that guess in your head. We're not going to tell you the answer right away. Let's set the scene first. Okay, so tell everyone, what were you doing on the bus?
Okay, so you know how I've been trying to improve my speaking? I found this technique called shadowing.
Right, shadowing. You listen to a native speaker and you repeat exactly what they say at the same time or just a second behind them.
Exactly. So I downloaded this podcast, put in my headphones, and I thought, perfect, 20 minutes on the bus, perfect time to practice.
Okay, sounds smart so far.
It was smart until I forgot I was actually saying the words out loud instead of just moving my mouth.
Tom!
I know. So the podcast host says, and that's why I always double-check my calendar. And I just repeated it, loudly, on a full bus.
Oh, no.
And this old man sitting next to me turns around very slowly and says, "Sorry, were you talking to me?"
What did you say?
I panicked. I said, No, I'm just practicing my calendar.
Practicing your calendar.
He looked so confused. He probably thinks I talk to my calendar for fun now.
Maybe you do. Maybe that's your new hobby.
Honestly, the worst part is I didn't even stop. I kept shadowing for like 5 more minutes because I didn't want to lose momentum.
So the whole bus heard you repeating a podcast about time management?
Word for word. My pronunciation was actually really good that day, if I'm honest.
Well, at least something good came out of it.
And actually, that's the thing. Even though it was embarrassing, shadowing really does work. My mouth felt so much more comfortable with English rhythm afterward.
It's true. A lot of our viewers ask us how to sound more natural, and shadowing is one of the best tools for that. You're training your mouth muscles, not just your brain.
Right. It's like a workout, but for your tongue.
That sounds strange, but okay. Okay, so since Tom brought up his little habit, let's use this moment to talk about grammar. Today we're focusing on the present simple for habits and routines.
Yes, because clearly talking to myself on the bus has become a routine now.
We use the present simple when we talk about things we do regularly, not just one time. For example, I practice English every morning.
Or Tom talks to his calendar on the bus.
See? That's actually a great example. Notice the verb. With I or you, we say practice, but with he, she, or it, we add an S. He talks, she practices.
Very good example, thank you.
Let's do a few more. I listen to podcasts every day.
She listens to podcasts every day.
Perfect. Notice the word every day at the end. Words like every day, usually, always, and often are strong signals that we need the present simple.
What about negative sentences?
Good question. For negatives, we use don't or doesn't. I don't shadow podcasts on the bus.
Tom doesn't learn his lesson.
Exactly. See, you're getting it.
So to summarize for everyone, present simple equals routines and habits. Add an S for he, she, it. Use don't or doesn't for negatives.
Great summary. Okay, now let's move into today's vocabulary. All of these words connect to shadowing practice and speaking English in daily life. First word, fluency. This means speaking smoothly without a lot of stopping or thinking too hard.
Right, like when words just come out naturally.
Exactly. For example, my fluency improved a lot after I started shadowing every day.
Can I tell a quick story about fluency?
Please.
So when I first moved to the city, I ordered coffee and I froze completely. I knew the words, but my fluency was 0. I just pointed at the menu.
What did you point at?
A tea bag? I don't even drink tea.
You ordered tea by accident because your fluency failed you?
I drank the tea. It was fine.
That's the saddest story I've ever heard. Next word, mimic. This means to copy someone's voice, accent, or way of speaking.
Like an impression.
Exactly like an impression. For example, when I shadow, I try to mimic the speaker's accent.
Okay, my story. My sister used to mimic our English teacher's accent so perfectly that our whole family started talking like her by accident.
No way!
Yes! At dinner, my dad would say, "Fantastic!" in this exact British accent, and we'd all just laugh because it wasn't even on purpose anymore.
That's actually a really smart way to learn without realizing it.
My sister accidentally taught the whole family fluent sarcasm.
Next, tongue-tied. This means you can't speak clearly because you're nervous or confused.
Oh, I know this feeling very well.
Example, I get tongue-tied whenever I have to introduce myself in English.
My story, at my first job interview in English, someone asked, "So, tell me about yourself." And I got so tongue-tied that I just said my own name again, like they didn't already know it.
You just said your name?
I said, "Yes, so, my name is Tom." They already knew that. They just asked me that question.
Did you get the job?
I did, actually. I guess they liked my honesty.
Next phrase, out loud. This means speaking so other people can actually hear you, not just in your head.
Yes, I'm quite familiar with this concept now thanks to the bus incident.
Example, I practice my sentences out loud every morning in the shower.
Actually, that's true for me. I do talk out loud in the shower in English. My neighbor probably thinks I'm arguing with someone.
Are you?
Sometimes I argue with myself about grammar rules, yes.
Who's winning?
Me, always me.
Last word for today, the phrase repeat after. This is literally the core action of shadowing. You listen and you repeat after the speaker.
Example, repeat after me. I will not talk to strangers about my calendar.
Very relevant example.
I actually think repeating after native speakers help my intonation more than anything else. Like the up and down of my voice sounds so much more natural now.
That's the real power of shadowing. It's not just words, it's the rhythm and music of the language.
Exactly, even if it means occasionally embarrassing yourself on public transportation.
Especially then. Okay, everyone, now it's time for our shadowing practice. Remember, listen first, then repeat after us out loud.
Yes, don't be shy. Pause the video if you need to. Say it with us, even if you're on a bus.
Especially if you're on a bus.
Okay. Let's start slow.
Repeat after me. I practice English every day.
I practice English every day.
Your turn now. Say it out loud.
Next one, repeat after me. My fluency is getting better.
My fluency is getting better.
Now you. Say it with confidence.
Let's try a longer one. Repeat after me. Sometimes I feel tongue-tied, but I keep trying.
Sometimes I feel tongue-tied, but I keep trying.
Good. Now it's your turn.
One more. Repeat after me. I like to mimic native speakers when I practice.
I like to mimic native speakers when I practice.
Your turn.
Last sentence for today. Repeat after me. I am not afraid to speak out loud.
I am not afraid to speak out loud.
Now say it one more time with feeling this time.
Great job, everyone. Your mouth is already getting more comfortable with English.
Remember, shadowing works best when you do it every single day, even just 5 minutes.
Just maybe check your surroundings first.
Learn from Tom's mistake.
Please stop bringing that up.
Okay, let's quickly review everything we learned today.
We started with present simple for habits. Remember to add an S for he, she, it.
And we learned 5 great vocabulary words: fluency, mimic, tongue-tied, out loud, and repeat after.
And most importantly, we learned that shadowing practice really works, even if it comes with a few embarrassing moments.
Especially the calendar incident.
We're never letting that go, are we?
Never.
So now it's your turn. Have you ever practiced English out loud in public and gotten a strange reaction from someone?
Or have you ever tried shadowing before? Tell us in the comments. We read every single one.
And if you're brave enough, tell us your most embarrassing English practice moment. Tom clearly isn't the only one.
I really thought that bus was empty in my head.
That's it for today's episode, everyone. Thank you so much for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, smash that subscribe button and join our English family. We upload a brand new episode every single day.
60,000 of you are already here, and we would love for you to be next.
Keep practicing, keep speaking out loud, and don't worry about the strange looks on the bus.
Speak for yourself.
See you all tomorrow.
Bye, everyone.